Gibson. Gibson. One table. One table. Hop off. What's the table? No, don't fly. Don't fly. Yeah, one table. Okay. Come on, Gibbs. Gibson. Come on, baby. Now, first thing you're gonna have to do, Joe, you're gonna have to keep cutting them claws for him too, right? I mean, the nails rather. You know what I mean. Gibson. Come on, Gibson, baby. Come on, Joey got. You chewing it up? Mm-hmm. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. You got it. See? Well, he sucked that up, man. Huh? Come on. You got more?
Too salty. It's too salty.
Come on. Can you give me a... Oh, she's busy. Gibson.
It's too salty. You know, it's too salty. I could taste it in my mouth. Real salty.
Give me a bottle of water out of the refrigerator, Joe. But she's,
Real salty.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's Chinese crackers. Peanuts got salt on them?
Yeah, but you could, if you chew it up, Joe, you won't, you know, it won't be salty for him. Let me get my water. We gotta start eating up some of this,